What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Blue Snowball Ice microphone. This microphone is often revered as the starter kit for any YouTuber or live streamer and comes in at a very reasonable price point of $50 to $100 depending on what model you like. After taking a look at the sleek packaging, we're going to just jump right into it. Please excuse me fumbling with the box here. It wasn't the easiest to open. But with regards to the microphone itself, I got the white model. It also comes in black, and there's two other higher end models that you can also get. The manufacturer of this product claims that it's a custom condenser capsule that offers crystal clear audio. We're going to run a test to see if that's correct, and it also features a USB cable connection and an adjustable desktop stand. You can see here that we have the snowball itself resembling the shape of a snowball. It's actually a lot cleaner than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be more of a matte, cheap finish, but you can see there that there's chrome all over the place and it's a glossy plastic finish. It's pretty solid and it features a red light on the top that lets you know when it's recording. And you can see that it has holes to pick up sound all around the device itself. This is a pretty easy to use microphone. You can just plug it in and use it. It's perfect for Skype calls and Twitch streams. You can see a lot of famous YouTubers and streamers using the same device as well. Like I said earlier, it's revered as the starter pack when it comes to audio recording for people in the content community. Jumping into the rest of the stuff, here you have the instructions that gives you a whole kind of breakdown of the product itself and how to use it effectively. And here we got the stand that screws into the bottom. Now it's a three-legged stand that opens up and you can adjust to whatever height you'd like. And it screws in right there on the top. The rest of the box itself also features the USB cable, as you can see here. It's a micro USB to USB, so it plugs right into your computer on the fat end, and the connectable part is obviously the smaller end here, that you can see. Once you get it in there, you can adjust the height as you'd wish, and then you want to grab the micro USB cable and just plug it in there. Like I said earlier, the red light at the top indicates when it's plugged in and connected. It's pretty seamless actually to use, so you just plug and go. So right now I'm going to test my current microphone, which is a headset that I use for gaming. I've been using this throughout the video and my previous ones as well. You can hear the clarity and whatnot, but I do a lot of work in Audacity. This is the raw cut of my voice, no edits. And now we're going to test the Blue Snowball. Now this is what it sounds like on the Blue Snowball. As you can imagine, it's probably a lot more clearer and has less of an echo than before. I do record in a pretty echoey room, but I feel like this just gives you a bit more clean and crispness to your voice. Now it's going to take some time for me to figure out how to use this optimally. I know this isn't exactly the clearest it can be, but I'm sure that in Audacity and whatnot, I could edit it down to be better at the end of the day. At its price point, I feel like this is the most value for your dollar that you can get for a microphone when it comes to streaming or gaming or any kind of other use that you might need it for. Going forward, I think that this is going to be my daily use microphone for when I'm recording YouTube videos or gaming with my friends. I find it just perfect for that use and it sits comfortably in my setup. Let me know what you guys think about this product in the comments below, and if you think that this is better than my old microphone. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to stay up to date with our content. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.